Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about crucial lesson phrases. So what is phrase? A phrase is a group of words which has some meaning but does not have complete meaning. It does not have a finite verb or subject of its own. For example, the book is on the table. On the table is a group of words and it does not have complete meaning. It has meaning, but it does not have complete meaning. It has no finite verb. Okay. Let us see one more example. He sang a song in beautiful manner. Here, in beautiful manner is also a phrase because it is a group of words and it has some meaning. It has no complete meaning and also it does not have finite verb or subject of its own. And for full meaning, it depends on the another words. Let us take another example. I like to eat chocolate. Here, to eat chocolate is phrase because it is a group of words and it has some meaning and it does not have complete meaning. It has partial meaning. Okay. After we have discussed what is phrase or meaning of phrase, now let us discuss types of phrases. There are three types of phrases. The first is noun phrase, the second is adjective phrase, and the third is adverb phrase. Now, let us see the first type of noun phrase. First type of phrase, that is noun phrase. So what is noun phrase? Noun phrase is a group of words that acts as a noun. We identify noun phrase by asking question what. For example, I love to play hockey. Here, to play hockey functions as a noun and so it is noun phrase. Here, to play is not verb. It is infinitive, but it is acted as noun here. And we can also identify noun phrase by asking question what. What do I love? To play hockey. So it is noun phrase. Let us take one more example. He made delicious chocolate cookies. Here delicious chocolate cookies is noun phrase because it functions as noun. Okay. Let us take one more example. Playing computer game is my favorite pastime. Here playing computer game function is a group of words and it functions like noun. Here playing is not a verb, it is a noun. Therefore it is noun phrase. Students, you must remember phrases can be subject and object of the verb. For example, walking in the morning is good for health. Here, walking in the morning is noun phrase and it is used as subject in the sentence. Let us take one more example. He loves to eat ice cream. Here, to eat ice cream is noun phrase and it is used as object of the verb in this sentence. Alright. After we have seen about noun phrase, let us look at the second type of phrase, that is adjective phrase. So what is adjective phrase? Adjective phrase describes or qualifies the noun. It functions as an adjective. It usually comes after the noun immediately that it qualifies. For example, the girl in the blue dress is my sister. Here, in the blue dress is a phrase. It's a group of words and it is a phrase and it describes or qualifies the noun girl. So it is adjective phrase. Let us take another example. Rahul is a batsman with skill. Here, with skill is phrase and it qualifies noun, the batsman. So it is adjective phrase. Children, remember, adjective phrase begins with preposition. Okay, the simple trick to identify. Now let us look at the third type of phrase, that is adverb phrase. So what is adverb phrase? Adverb phrase is a group of words that acts as an adverb. It modifies verb, adjective or another adverb. We identify adverb phrase by asking question how, when, where, how often. Let us see an example. The driver was driving in a dangerous way. Here, in a dangerous way is a phrase and it modifies the verb driving, so it is adverb phrase. And we can identify it by asking question. How was the driver driving in a dangerous way? So in this way we can find out adverb phrase. Let us see one more example. I wrote a letter in the morning. Here, in the morning is a phrase and it modifies the verb wrote. Therefore, it is adverb phrase. All right. Now let us see the types of adverb phrase. Mainly there are 6 types of adverb phrase. The first one is adverb phrase of minor. So what is adverb phrase of minor? It indicates how an action takes place. For example, he danced in a graceful manner. Here, in a graceful manner is adverb phrase of minor because it indicates how an action took place. The second type of adverb phrase is adverb phrase of time. What is adverb phrase of time? It indicates when an action takes place. For example, he left the stage after the performance. Here, after the performance is adverb phrase of time, and it indicates when an action took place. Right? The third is adverb phrase of place. What is adverb phrase of place? It indicates where an action takes place. For example, Rama lives near his office. So near his office is adverb phrase of place because it indicates where an action took place. Okay. The fourth type of adverb phrase is adverb phrase of degree. So what is adverb phrase of degree? It indicates how intensely an action takes place. For example, the car drove past me at great speed. Here, at great speed indicates how intensely an action took place. Alright? The fifth type of adverb phrase is adverb phrase of frequency. So, what is adverb phrase of frequency? It indicates how often an action takes place. For example, I go to Delhi once a year. Here, once a year is adverb phrase of frequency, and it indicates how often an action took place. And the last type of adverb phrase is adverb phrase of reason. So what is adverb phrase of reason? It indicates why an action takes place. For example, John goes to Mumbai for work. Here for work is adverb phrase of reason because it indicates why an action took place. Alright. So in this video, we have discussed the definition of phrases. Secondly, the types of phrases. The first, noun phrase. The second, adjective phrase. The third, adverb phrase. And we have also discussed the types of adverb phrase.